Hello students, let us come to question number 2, subpart number 1 of exercise 3.5. It says that for which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? And the system of linear equations are given as 2x plus 3y equals to 7 and a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equals to 3a plus b minus of 2. So let us start the solution. First let us write the given system of equations. Clearly here a1 equals to 2, a2 equals to a minus b, b1 equals to 3, b2 equals to a plus b, c1 equals to minus 7 and c2 equals to minus of 3a plus b minus of 2. Now the condition for infinite solution is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. Let us put the values now. Now putting the values, 2 by a minus b equals to 3 by a plus b equals to minus 7 by minus of 3a plus b minus of 2. Let us cancel this negative sign. So now we have three equations over here. 1 equals to 2, 2 equals to 3 and 3 equals to 1. Since the number of the variables to be calculated is 2, that is a and b, we will solve any two equations, that is either 1 equals to 2 or 2 equals to 3 or 3 equals to 1 to get the value of a and b. So let us proceed further. So let us solve 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we get 2 into a plus b equals to 3 into a minus b. This implies twice a twice b equals to thrice a minus of thrice b. This implies twice a minus of thrice a equals to minus of thrice b minus of twice b. This implies minus of a equals to minus of 5b. Minus minus cancelled. So we are getting a equals to 5b. Let us make it equation number 1, 2 we have given. Let us make it equation number 3. Now from 2 and 3 we get 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 equals to 7 into a plus b. This implies 9a plus 3b minus 6 equals to 7a plus 7b. This implies 2a and minus of 4b minus of 6 equals to 0. Now we can substitute. We have got two linear equations. We can solve by cross multiplication method, elimination method, substitution method or whatever we like. But here it is not given that which method you have to do. So we can do any method. So let us do the substitution only over here because we have taken over here a equals. So we have got over here a equals to 5b. So from 3, 2 into 5b minus of 4b equals to 6. This implies 10b minus 4b equals to 6. This implies 6b equals to 6 implies b equals to 1. And from 3 a equals to 5b equals to 5. Therefore a equals to 5 and b equals to 1. Answer. Now let us go to question number 2, subpart number 2 of exercise 3.5 NCERT. The question says that for which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? So the pair of the linear equations is given as 3x plus y equals to 1 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y equals to 2k plus 1. The question is asking for what value of k the following pair or the given pair of the linear equations have no solution. So let us start. The condition for the no solution, children, you are knowing is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. So let us start the solution. Here a1 equals to 3, b1 equals to 1 and c1 equals to minus 1. a2 equals to 2k minus 1 B2 equals to k minus 1 and C2 equals to minus of 2k plus 1. For no solution, the condition is given no solution. For what value of k, the given system of equation have no solution. So for no solution, A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. Implies 3 by 2k minus 1 equals to 1 by k minus 1 equals to minus 1 by minus of 2k plus 1. This minus minus cancelled. So we are getting over here, let us suppose 1, 2 and 3. Now from 1 and 2 we get, let us cross multiply, thrice k minus 3 equals to twice k minus 1. Now thrice k minus 2k is k equals to minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So k equals to 2. Sorry, over here not equals to. So for k equals to 2, the given system of equation have no solution. Now if you solve this one, we will be getting the value of k not equals to something. But the question is asking for what value of k the given system of equation have no solution. So I think this one is sufficient and hence the solution is complete. Question number 3. Question number 3 says that solve the following pair of the linear equations by substitution method and cross multiplication method. Means this question is given, a pair of linear equations are given. We have to solve it by two methods. First by substitution method and second by cross multiplication method. So let us start the solution. Given system of linear equations are 8x plus 5y equals to 9 and 3x plus 2y equals to 4. Now any one we will solve first. Now 1 imply 5y equals to 9 minus of 8x. First let us write substitution method. Substitution method. Equation 1 implies 5y equals to 9 minus of 8x implies y equals to 9 minus of 8x by 5. Make it number 3. Now substituting this value of y in 2, we get 3x plus 2 into 9 minus of 8x by 5 equals to 4. This implies 3x plus of 18 minus of 2 8 are 16x by 5 equals to 4. This implies 5 3s are 15x plus 18 minus of 16x equals to 5 4s are 20. This implies minus of x equals to 20 minus of 18. This implies x equals to 20 minus 18 is 2 and this one is minus sign, will go this side and will become minus 2. Therefore, equation 3 implies y equals to 9 minus of 8x by 5 equals to 9 minus of 8 into minus 2 by 5 equals to 9 plus of 16 by 5 equals to 25 by 5 equals to 5. Therefore, x equals to minus 2, y equals to 5. Answer. Now, let us solve the same sum by cross multiplication method. Let us start cross multiplication method. We will be writing here A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. If you want to write, you can write. Then you will write the formula. If directly you want, you can write directly. I am writing in detail, but you can write directly. Here, A1 equals to 8, B1 equals to 5, and C1 equals to minus of 9. A2 equals to 3, B2 equals to 2, and C2 equals to minus 4. Therefore, over here we will write x y and 1. Now below x what we will write, children? Write this one. 5, 2, minus 9, minus 4. Below y we will write over here 8, 3, and below 1 we will write over here 5, 2. This implies x, y, and give the sign as well, children. Sign, if you are not mentioning, the method will not be called cross multiplication method. Now let us multiply over here x divided by minus of 20 and plus of 18 equals to y divided by minus 9 into 3 minus 27, and this one is minus sign, so plus 32 equals to 1 divided by 8 2s are 16 and minus of 15. This implies x divided by minus 2 equals to y divided by 5 equals to 1 divided by 1. Make it equation 1, 2 and 3. Children, take care, here I used to give the numbering in Roman and here in Hindu Arabic, so that you should not be confused over here. If by mistake in any question I have given over here also Roman and here also Roman, rectify it by Hindu Arabic and over here as Roman. Now from equation 1 and 3 we get x equals to minus 2, and from 2 and 3 we get y equals to 5. Therefore, x equals to minus 2, y equals to 5. Answer.